We arrive at the checklist page when we've gone through the list generation process to create a customized checklist, or when we open a saved list from the local files. This is really where the app is intended to be used by people on the go, working with their hands, using this on their phone or tablet as a guide to their specific tasks. This shows the business trip example that was created from the generator page tutorial video. For an overview, we have the name at the top that can be tapped on to rename the list. By default, anything that we check off disappears, but we can use the Show Hide button to see what we've already accomplished. Everything can be grouped into sections, and this list uses a lot of that, but that's optional. You can have everything down to just a flat list, or you can have as many of these section headers as you want. Simply tapping on each header expands or collapses it, and there are controls at the top to expand or collapse everything all at once. While editing the checklist, everything is automatically saved. So we can leave this anytime and come back to exactly where we were by going into the local files manager, which is covered in the video linked here. We can get back to that page simply by clicking the list generator button at the bottom. Thanks for watching.